Hey guys, what's up? And I don't know what time you're watching this video, so good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and good night for me. Okay, as a Node developer, Node.js developer, you might, yeah, as a Node developer, you have learned many lot of things, and recently the Node.js creator Rindle have released actually uh, May 13 they released the version 1 of Deno.js. Okay, in this video what I want to share is how to start with Deno.js, and I am completely new to this Deno, and I am not well versed with Node.js also, and I don't know anything about TypeScript, right? Okay, as you can see, Deno is a simple, modern, secure runtime for JavaScript, and Node.js is also a JavaScript runtime library, and it's also for TypeScript and uses V8 like uh, Chrome and Node.js. But those things are written in C++. But Deno is written using the Rust, right? And the reason behind Deno is in Node.js we can't use TypeScript, right? Because it's a JavaScript. And another thing is uh, we need to install every packages during development, and also for backend we need to install even at production time, so it requires a large amount of data space, right? And another thing is Node.js is not giving secure by nature. It's not secure because your file, any module, if you are installing any module, then the module like packages can access your files, right? But in Deno.js it does not uh, carry out like that things. You need to externally give access to those files by allowing by giving the command dash dash allow dash read or write or something like that. Okay, installation. I am working on Windows, so I need to give this command in my PowerShell. Since I have already installed, I don't need to do that. If you want to install it, then copy the line here and just paste it and give enter. Fine. This is the basic starting guide. Let me see. Let me show one thing. So you can see that the file, sorry, the line inside the file is console log. Okay, and I think it's clear to say that console log is working in even in Deno.js also, not Deno.js, Deno tx ts or js. Okay, and at first I went to the documentation of version 1 before releasing the version 1. That's complete crap. That looked like this, but they have not included any styles, so that was very bad. Okay, now they have used a little css, so it looking so great. Okay, I just copied this line. Sorry, yeah, here I have created the file called intro.js, but uh, Deno, if you are creating any file, then name it as main.ts because it's suggested, not the complete like must do thing. It's an convention, right? I have installed extension called yeah, the second extension. I have installed this extension at around 10K, but it's not working for me. So that I move over to this extension. And if you really use this extension, then you need to create a directory called .vs code, then settings.json file. Okay, fine. Let's move over to intro.ts. As a node developer, I have used JS file, so I am telling that sorry, it's TS files, not JS file. Yeah, we can use JS, but uh, the thing behind Deno is secured, so we can use TypeScript for more usage. Okay, to run this file, you need to do Deno run and the file name. It will give a error to me, like let me show the error. It's downloading the stuff because it's the link provides as you can see it's an error, and I will say what it is. This link is like a CDN. In script tag we used CDN for like view or some kind of CDN like Fontasm. No, it's not Fontasm. We will give link tag. Any other example like CDN, JS, handlebars, bug, those kind of things, right? Deno is uses it directly capture the files from a URL and let me and it uses and it importing it from the direct URL. That's the specialty behind Deno. And this link is for server, and Deno is not having any inbuilt server like view HTTP sorry view sorry node HTTP server. We, and it's a basic simple app, and the error behind this is we need to give this flag like Deno run hello, is that net? Yeah, net and intro.ts. We can give this or dash capital A, both are same, you know. And I have console like this is the link we are getting the response. Let me show this. Yeah, you can see this hello, right? If I changed like hi and I save the file, it will not show the thing. It's not working on hard reload like nodemon and things like. I have seen a video by Coding Garden, and he suggested that there is an package used as daemon, I think like that. Okay, if I see changes, I should run the file again, and I can see the changes. I think yeah, it's getting lot of time at my computer. But if you are having a nice good computer like Linux or Mac, then you can see that compilation and doing stuffs in Deno is much more faster than Node.js, right? And Deno is using a top level asynchronous functions, so we don't need to give async keyword for creating any functions like await statement. Is it wrong? Function equal to. I have forgotten the syntax for async function. I think it's correct. Let me remove this. Is that a problem? I don't know. What's an error identifier? Since it is a TS, I don't know. TS. Okay. This is the normal Node.js function. Like we need to specify async keyword, then only we can use await inside the function. But in Deno, there is a top level asynchronous function, so we can use await directly. And there is a middleware called oak, anagram of Koa. Yeah, Koa is used for middlewares, Node.js instead of Express.js, and oak is also like that, but oak is for Deno, right? Oak is for Deno. And okay, and that's it for the starting guide of Deno, guys. And if you want to learn things, then go to the official documentation, and they have improved a lot. And you can see they produced a manual, so you can learn things from installation and uh, giving permissions. And if you have any installation error problem is, then you need to set the environmental variables. But I have not seen any error while installation and after it. And there's a lot of examples. Yeah, let me use this command. Hello read, is that correct? System can't find. Oh, I don't know. I don't know what happened. Let me get this. There's no changes in my file act. I don't know what is this doing. The code is like deno.open file name. Okay, copy. It's a cat command. Yeah, it's a cat command in a Unix platform. I thought it's a cat, some kind of cat emoji will come into the console.log. I thought like that, but it's a cat command in a Unix platform. Let me write this. Can't find the file specified. Still I'm getting error. I don't know why. Sorry. It's intro.js. Still getting error. I don't know. I don't know. Yeah, it's working. I'm very bad. I'm very bad at Deno and things. Okay, it's fine. It just copied the content of the file and just printed in uh, terminal. The second example is like it's a file server. Yeah, that we already did. Not file server, it's a server. Then TCP echo server, OS signals, checking if file is main. Okay, let me go back to the home page. Standard library. What is that thing? Fine. It looks great. Documentation, examples, it has. I don't know what this file is saying, and I have no idea about creating files that are specified in some examples. I don't like that. And you can see there are few things they are giving about, and if you are started if you want to get started to node library, then you need to go to all these steps and learn it, or you can use a official speech by Rindell and some other developers like I don't know the other developers, but there are many few channels developing and saying about Deno like Ben Award, Coding Garden, Program with Eric, others like okay, and I think that's it for this video, and I should learn Deno better, and I can teach you, not teach you, we can share our knowledge to other people, right?